Hello viewers, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I will explain the features of our new relaunched version. How we can follow a signal after checking the confirmation. There are 4 levels of confirmation and we get 3 types of signals and stop loss. This is trailing stop loss. So I am going to give you a live explanation. So if you are interested to know more about our software, or if you want a live demo of our software, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga and you can contact me through call or WhatsApp. My number is 9061973737. And our website details are shown in our description box. You can check it that also. And let's go to our video. And I open this chart at 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐞𝐬, and this is a live market, and you can see the current market rate is 888.40. This is a real-time market value, and you can see this white vertical line, that is a day break line. So today's day start from here. So you can see this green arrow. This green arrow is a buy signal and red one is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, the same time the alert message will come with the sound effect. So before taking this call, we have to check the confirmation. There are 4 filters in our software in this version. You can see on below dashboard, trend filter 1, filter 2, filter 3 and the suggestion. So if it is buy signal, I open this time frame, I select the time frame 5 minutes. As per the intraday, I select the time frame 5 minutes. So this is a 5 minute time frame chart. So if there is a buy signal active in 5 minute time frame, first confirmation you have to check below trend filter 1. On below this, you can see in 5 minutes now, you have to check the 5 minutes because we are following 5 minute time frame. So you don't need to follow 50 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. So if it is there is a buy signal active in 5 minute time frame, in trend filter 1 you have to check M5 only. M5 there is a green apparel. It should be below that N5 chart. Sorry, N5 there is green. It should be in green color. The arrow should be in green color. That is the first confirmation. Second confirmation, go to trend filter 2. There are 4 arrows are there. So out of 4 arrow, 2 arrow must be in green up arrow. Out of 4, that 2 arrow must be green up arrow. So that is the second confirmation. Third confirmation, go to trend filter 3. In trend filter 3, out of trend 1 and trend 2, the one trend should be in bullish. So we need only 3 confirmation. Filter 1, you have to check M5 should be in green up arrow, it should be in green color, and the trend filter 2, the 2 arrow must be in green upside, and the third trend filter 3, in trend 1 here trend 2, at least one trend must be in bullish trend. In some rare cases, trend filter 3 will not confirm, some rare cases, and that time now you have to check the suggestion. If trend filter 3 is not supporting, then you just check suggestion. In suggestion 1 and suggestion 2, any suggestion showing long trend, then you can directly take that position. So out of 4 filters, we need only 3 confirmation. Filter 1 and filter 3 is mustly, you have to check the confirmation, and out of filter 3 and suggestion, you have to check any one. If filter 3 is not supporting now, then you can directly check the suggestion and you can directly take the position. So it's very simple software, some simple features. If it is confirmed signal, then you can directly take the position, and you can see there is a blue line is here now. Above the blue line, there is a green line and 2 red lines are there now. That is a buy target. Above this blue line, the 3 buy targets are there, and below the blue line there are 3 sell targets are there. So you have to check whenever you taking a fresh entry, that time you have to check this green box. So this is the first this is the first target, and this is the second target and third target. So whenever software achieving the target, then automatically it refreshes the target. And you can see there are stop loss. There are 4 buy and 4 sell. If it is buy signal, then 4 buy, this is the target for, this is the stop loss for buy. If it is buy, so you are following a buy call, then you have your stop loss should be, you have to follow the stop loss from 4 buy. If it is sell call, then you have to follow the stop loss from 4 sell. This is a trailing stop loss. If the market is going up now, then stop loss will reverse. Stop loss will go up. So you have to follow the trailing stop loss to reduce the risk. So this same strategy you can apply for our segment. Right now I'm giving a demo in this NSE. The same strategy you can apply for MCX, whether it is MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, COMEX and forex. Our software support all major financial market, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping trading and swing trading. And this is very simple software, and whenever software generated signal na, you have to check the confirmation. If you are following 5-minute time frame, then you have to check trend filter 1 below. That time whenever software generated a signal na, that time it should the buy in below the buy M5, the that arrow should be in green color, and trend filter 2 out of 4 arrows, that 3 should be in green up, and filter 3, if it is filter 3 is not supporting us, then you can directly check the suggestion and directly take the position on below the you can see this blue line, above the blue line buy target, 3 buy targets are there, and below the blue line the sell target. So you can follow this target, and the stop loss will display here. If it is you are following a buy call, then for buy, in for buy, the stop loss for buy signal, in for buy, under this for buy you can follow that buy stop loss, and if you are following a sell call, then in for buy is a sell call target, sell target. So it is not target, sorry, sell stop loss. So following this version is very simple, and if you are interested to know more about this software, and if you are interested to check the live demonstration, you can directly contact me, and thank you for watching my video.